Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to search images instantly from your desktop browser? In this video, I will show you how to use Google Lens in Chrome to search identity, identify and learn about anything from products to places in just a few clicks. Google Lens is an image recognition tool that helps you find visually similar items, translate text, identify objects, and more. Now built directly into Chrome desktop. Step 1. Open Chrome, the latest version. Make sure Chrome is updated. At the right click on any image, search image with lens. Upload or use paste or paste email your image link. New panel opens. Google Lens will analyze the image. You will see visually similar results, shopping, links, object identifications, related web pages. Optional step, you can click and drag to highlight only a portion of the image. Lens will Lens will then focus on that area specifically. It's super helpful for finding clothing, identifying landmarks, or even translating text from an image. Now, product search. Right click on a sneaker to find where to buy it. Landmark identification. Use lens on a photo from a travel blog. Translation. Use lens on a foreign language. Sign in an image. Find image source. Great for content creators doing research. This works on any website, whether it's an article, Pinterest, or even inside Google Images. Pro tips: use Lens for visual search, shopping, great for school work projects when identifying diagrams or maps. Combine with Google Translate when dealing with foreign text. Works across Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS. Chrome, Google Lens is in Chrome is powerful, fast, and built in. No need to install anything extra like this video. If it helped you, and subscribe for more smart tech tutorials.